In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and sell your templates using Framer, a simple yet powerful design tool. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, monetizing your creative work can be a fantastic way to earn some extra income or even turn your passion into a full-time career. Once you have mastered the art of creating stunning templates, the next step is knowing how to share them effectively. Let's kick things off by opening Framer. Now, before diving into the selling part, make sure you have your templates polished and ready to go. These will be the products you'll share with the world, so ensuring they're top-notch is crucial for attracting potential buyers. The first thing you'll need to do to set things up is to ensure you have a pro account with Framer. This account not only unlocks premium features, but also gives you the capability to export or share your templates, which is essential for our next steps. Having a pro account is an investment in your creative career, offering a range of tools and possibilities that free accounts simply don't provide. Now, one thing to note about Framer is that it currently doesn't support a built-in marketplace. This means you'll need to look elsewhere to sell your templates to an audience that values your work. Here's where Gumroad comes in. It's a fantastic platform designed for creators who wish to sell digital products, and it provides an easy-to-use interface for managing your sales. Head over to gumroad.com and sign up if you haven't already. The registration process is quick and straightforward, setting you up with your storefront in mere minutes. Gumroad allows you to customize your sales page and manage transactions seamlessly. Once you have an account, you can list your templates, set your desired price, and even run promotions to attract more customers. Apart from Gumroad, there are other platforms where you can sell your templates. For instance, Etsy is a popular choice for creatives, providing visibility to a vast community eager for digital designs. Consider experimenting with multiple third-party platforms. Each has its own audience and dynamics, and some might suit your marketing strategy better than others. The key takeaway here is to leverage the power of these online platforms to get your templates out to the world. Once you've set up your templates on these sites, make sure to promote them through your social media channels or directly to your target audience to boost visibility and sales. And there you have it. You've now transformed your creativity into something that can generate income, reaching people who appreciate what you've worked hard to create. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you successfully share and sell your unique templates. Until next time, happy designing.